All right, so we just got into a trade on GBP USD. News just happened literally not that long ago. It was CPI, and we all know how CPI moves. But I'm quite confident in this trade. I'm gonna try target higher than a 1 to 2, see if I can hold this position. Just because we had that super big candle from CPI news, so we can potentially try go back up there to fill them orders and things like that, and all the people that are left behind. But yeah, I'm kind of confident on this trade, to be honest. Um, and I've had a good month. Like September has been very, very, very good in the market. Yeah, so September has literally been a super good month. We had one losing day yesterday, which was on GU. But then other than that, on my futures account, which is the bigger funded accounts, we haven't had a losing day this month. And obviously we have a few more days left of the week, so we can try see if we can continue that momentum for the week. Definitely, like I was saying before, more live trading videos is going to come out. I'm going to think of a topic for us to speak about. All right, so we're up about $20-$30, but we did just get into this trade. One thing that I've noticed as well about strategies and things like that is that I've seen a lot of these influencers, these trading people online, and they're saying how they don't really like market conditions at the moment. But it's crazy because market conditions for me have been amazing. Like a lot of trades have been hitting. The person that taught me how to trade, his trades have also been hitting because we pretty much take the same trades. Um, but I'm seeing a lot of people online saying that they don't like September price action so far, and it's actually very crazy to think. Very, very, very crazy to think. All right, we're about $60. I'm really liking this momentum so far. I think we can potentially just see a nice push up. I'm only risking like $100 once again, same as the last live trading video, but I'm gonna try push for at least 300. I'll usually do 1 to 2, so 200. That's why I back test. That's my strategy. That's my data. That's like my bread and butter. The 1 to 2 is the sweet spot for me. But trades like this, whoa, especially momentum like this, I'm definitely going to hold this trade for sure. For sure, gonna hold this. And I also got in a little bit earlier as well, so that's another reason why I wanna see if I can get 300 from this. GU hasn't really been that nice to me this week. We've had 2 losses this week. I think Monday we had a loss, Tuesday we had a loss. Or no, I think one day we didn't take a trade, but then we had a double loss one day. But it was still in the green because we won on our futures account. So for the day overall, we were still in the green. But yeah, GU hasn't been the nicest to me this week. So hopefully it pays us back by letting this trade win. I'm not liking that rejection candle though, but it is what it is. This is a good momentum, I can't lie. I do really like this. Some very good momentum. Oh, we literally might not be in this trade for that long. Like, I've lost my bloody... Here it is. Yeah, we're up about 120 now. It is looking very nice. All right, so my stop loss is at break even now. We're up about $90-ish. We did push up mega, but then it did start to reject. So hopefully this candle doesn't just come and hit us at break even. Break even's a little bit in profit as well. Like I said before, I did get in quite early, so my break even is in profit. This might be a break even trade. This might be a break even trade. This candle's rejecting mega. Yeah, this might be break even. We're so close. We're so close to being stopped out. All right, that candle was crazy. We seem to be getting back near our 1-to-1-ish. We're pushing back up, but we literally was so close to getting stopped out. Hopefully this candle prints bullish. If we get another candle that prints bearish, then it's looking like GG's. But if this candle prints bullish, I believe in price action. And I'm liking the volume that we're seeing right now. We've got some good momentum now. We're breaking the highs, fortunately. We are breaking the highs. Okay, this is a nice push. It could be the next candle that does it for us. if this candle sticks with this kind of momentum, we're almost at our 1 to 2. We're at 1 to 1.5 now. Very close to 1 to 2. I'm going to move the take profit up just in case it wicks it. Whoa, we're at 1 to 2 now. So we moved our take profit up. This is around about $300 where I'd want to be exiting. This is where I'd usually exit. So where price is right now at the 1 to 2, this is where my usual exit would be. But we're going to be targeting more for today. Make sure. Another thing that keeps you profitable as well is you need to be making sure that your winners run. Even if you're high risk reward traders and you go for like 1 to 4s, 1 to 5, 1 to 6s, sometimes try get them 1 to 7s, then 1 to 8s. Like, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you're a low risk reward trader, make sure you're letting your trades run. Like, it doesn't have to be every single trade. If you're a 1 to 1 trader, 1 to 2 trader like me, but occasionally know which trades run, like know which trades has the highest chance of running, what confluences you're looking for, and then make sure you're letting your trades run, boy. 100%. 100%. We're still up about $200. We're floating around our 1 to 2 areas still. Just 1% more to go. 1% more to go. We had these wick rejections are not the best. It could mean that momentum is dying, but volume could just kick in at any moment as well. To the downside and to the upside, but we're hoping that it kicks into the upside. I do still think the market can go a bit more bullish than this. Just because of how big this wick was that was created from news, they need to make a correction. Like, they need to make a correction. We are having quite consistent volume with the candles as well. Obviously, we've had like 1-2 candles in between that don't have a lot of volume or momentum to them, but as a whole, we do have quite consistent volume going through to the candles. We just need to see that push up. There's really not that much long, just like that. That's exactly what we need. That is exactly what we need. We're up about 230 right now. We're about 230, 250. We got $50 more to go. $50 more to go. All right, the candles are not really doing much. I don't know actually. Hopefully we just get some nice momentum from this candle. Because I've been in the trade for ages, almost an hour. We're literally coming up on an hour. And my average time in trades is literally like 15 minutes. It's like 60 minutes for a winning trade. It's like 10 minutes for a losing trade. So, yeah. This is very long for me. Just sitting. Oh, you're getting tired. Just sitting at the screen, looking at one single trade play out. And I can't even use my phone either because I'm using my phone to record. Also, I might start live streaming. My sessions while I trade. So if you want to see some live streams, let me know. Could be on TikTok, could be on YouTube. I don't know. But if you guys are trying to see that, let me know. Because I'm very much on live streaming. With TikTok, it's quite difficult though. Because I did used to live stream on TikTok before. And they just be taking you down. Like, they've got a lot of keywords that you can't be saying. But yeah, they just be taking you down for real. Okay, we literally just need $10 more. I'm getting, as soon as I see 300, I'm out. Yeah, I'm good. Just like that. We was in this trade for so long. That is unbelievable. But yeah, that's the video, man. Like I said, I'm gonna have more live trading videos coming out. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Ask me whatever questions you want. I'm trying to build up the Instagram. I might start posting shorts on Instagram again, potentially. Who knows?